In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Notion. This process is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and enhance their productivity by connecting these two powerful tools. Let's dive right in and make this integration smooth and easy. To start off, open your Notion workspace. Once you're in, you're going to navigate towards the settings. This can usually be found at the top right corner or within the sidebar of your Notion interface. Take your time to locate it, as finding the right settings menu is crucial for the integration to occur. After you've clicked on the settings, you'll have a list of options to choose from. What we're interested in today is the Connections feature. So, go ahead and click on the Connections tab. It might sometimes be labeled as Integrations or something similar, depending on updates and versions. But essentially, you are looking for the section that allows you to link external applications with Notion. Now let's search for Slack. Simply type Slack into the search bar provided in the Connections tab. You should see Slack pop up as an option fairly quickly. If it's not visible immediately, make sure you're spelling it correctly. Double check your connectivity and try refreshing the page if it doesn't come up straight away. Once you've found Slack, click on it to move forward with the integration process. Now comes an important part, granting permissions. When you click on Slack, you'll be prompted to authorize certain permissions. This is a standard part of connecting third-party applications. It's essential to review these permissions carefully to understand what level of access you are granting Notion to your Slack workspace. If everything looks good, go ahead and give permission by clicking the Allow button. By granting permission, you're allowing Notion to seamlessly interact and share information with Slack. This means you can expect a smoother workflow, as information can now move freely between both applications, enhancing your productivity levels significantly. With permissions granted, you're now ready to make the final connection. You'll see an option to connect the two applications. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, Notion and Slack will be officially integrated. This means tasks, notes, and updates can now flow between the two platforms without manual intervention. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Notion, setting yourself up for a more coordinated and efficient way to manage projects and communication. Whether you're collaborating with a team or handling individual tasks, this integration will help streamline your workflow and make your life a whole lot easier. Thank you for joining me today, and happy integrating. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace.